Change auditing of the server configuration is not only a necessity because of compliances, but it is also an integral component of change control to secure the IT infrastructure. The ideal solution should audit every change in the server settings without any exception. In addition to highlight the impacted object, it should bring out the before and after value of every modification in the configuration. There should be a way to keep a continuous check on all the events in the environment, server performance, and resource consumption. Administrator and other important persons should be notified as well in real time about ongoing suspicious activities and critical changes in the server configuration. Native auditing does not fulfill these requirements, as it suffers from serious drawbacks such as multiple irrelevant logs for an action, unreadable format, unavailability of report schedulers, no graphical representation, no display of before and after values of every configuration change, etc. If you are looking for a perfect change auditor product to audit the various servers in your organization, then your search ends at Lipite Auditor Suite. Lipite Auditor Suite is a one-stop solution to perform the change auditing in configuration of Active Directory, group policy, Exchange Server, SharePoint, and SQL servers. Lipite Auditor Suite tracks all changes in the server configuration, collects the raw logs in real time, converts them into intelligent records, show them in more than 270 plus predefined audit reports and 70 plus graph widgets, display live updates and top modification trends on screen, and sends real-time alerts for critical changes and scheduled reports. Key features of this product are continuous change auditing to bring out the before and after value of every change, permission auditing to bring out any change in permission of users and groups, comparison of permissions of Active Directory objects between two time intervals, restore modified or deleted objects and permissions in Active Directory, complete or selective restoration of modified group policies, monitoring of server availability, resource usage, performance counters, and status of critical services. Lipite Auditor Suite lets you monitor user activities. You can use its predefined audit reports, real-time alerts, and live updates to track the exact activities of a user or any other object. Lipite Auditor Suite lets you track all changes on or by an object. You can connect the scattered dots of events to track what exactly has happened. An action administrator created a user will generate about 20 events in Event Viewer. If an auditor uses native auditing, then he or she had to read more than 100 events in order to compile a sequence of any 10 actions by administrator. It will be quite difficult for an auditor to pinpoint exact actions in large pool of events and then to read technical message scripted therein. Lipite Auditor Suite lets you create a trailing sequence of changes to see the history of an incident. This information can be used for forensic and investigation purposes. Lipite Auditor Suite collects the periodic backup snapshots of Active Directory and group policy objects. These snapshots let you restore the state of all or selected objects. Suppose an administrator have deleted the user mistakenly and now he is puzzled how to restore that account. Similarly, the same administrator had changed some preset group policies in a domain and now he wanted to roll back them. Lipite Auditor Suite lets you compare the current state of Active Directory and group policies with the saved states in snapshots. You can select what objects you want to restore. What is more, Lipite Auditor Suite lets you view the live health monitoring of Exchange Server and Active Directory. You can keep a check upon the changing health status and view performance counters. In addition to on-screen display, the software sends real-time health alerts through email. In fact, it keeps you posted about the real-time server availability, stopping off critical services, increasing database size, replication status, and other performance counters even if you are in a remote area or far away from your office. Lipite Auditor Suite will save you from unnecessary technicalities and the difficulties involved in auditing of configurational changes. in the IT infrastructure of an organization. Free trial version of Lipide Auditor Suite is available for limited period. You can contact our sales team at sales@lipide.com to get your copy today. Browse our website to know more about the product Lipide Auditor Suite.